swept again. Jeez. Oh, hey, alright, what's up?
Hey, what's up? Hey, about that chemistry video,
Yeah, oh yeah.
finally just-
What did you have in mind?
Yeah, I was thinking about doing density.
Oh, density?
Yeah.
That's cool. Isn't density the measure of the amount of mass an object has per unit of volume?
Yeah, exactly, and it's used all the time in chemistry.
Oh, that's cool.
In the year 250 BCE, an ancient Greek mathematician named Archimedes was given the task of proving if the king's crown was indeed made of pure gold. One day he was sitting in the bathtub when he noticed some water had spilled over the sides created by his volume. He knew he could now find the volume of the king's crown. He placed the crown in water, and by using the equation D equals mv, he figured out that the crown wasn't exactly pure gold. The goldsmith had snuck in bits of silver. He was later executed for cheating the king. Again, there are two important equations inspired by Archimedes. Density equals mass divided by volume, and final volume minus initial volume equals the volume by displacement, which is used for irregular shapes. Density is very common in all sciences, especially chemistry, because it has to do with the distance between particles. It can make bikes lighter and planes easier to fly.
Density is also related to how we're able to breathe on Earth. The density of air on our planet at sea level is 30 quintillion molecules per cubic centimeter. That's enough air for us to breathe without any respiratory assistance. As we travel past Earth and start heading towards, say, Mars, the density of particles can reach about only 10 particles per cubic centimeter. But it gets even crazier. As you travel past the solar system, there are places where the density of air is only a mere 1 particle per cubic centimeter. And even past that, there are places in space beyond the Milky Way galaxy where you can find that the density of particles is about 1 particle per cubic meter.
Another form of density is called energy density. Energy density is the amount of energy stored in a unit of volume, measured in joules per kilogram. Elements like uranium and thorium have very high energy densities. Uranium has an energy density of about 79.5 trillion joules per kilogram, meaning 1 kilogram of uranium stores about 79.5 trillion joules of energy. That's why it's used in many power plants and nuclear reactors.
The most dense thing in the universe is called a neutron star. Neutron stars have fascinated astronomers for decades because of their incredible density. A neutron star forms when a star with a mass a bit larger than our sun dies. This creates an explosion that releases huge amounts of energy, as well as the protons and electrons of atoms. What's left behind are only the neutrons of the atoms, which form a sphere only about 20 kilometers in diameter. However, its small size, a neutron star's density is so great that only 1 cubic centimeter of the star would weigh 400 million tons.
On the other side of the scale, the least dense thing in the universe is a man-made substance called aerographite. Aerographite is a synthetic foam consisting of a porous interconnected network of tubular carbon. Its density is 180 grams per cubic meters. To put in perspective, air has a density of 1200 grams per cubic meters. Aerographite is almost 7 times less dense than air. Its density is so low that scientists have been able to balance aerographite on blades of grass.
Density. What do you... Chemistry.
The chemistry.
Yeah.
No, you're supposed to say that.
Yeah, okay, so... I was going to price per unit of volume, that is like... Okay, so...
And it's you. No, right.
Okay, it's right. No, I got it. I got this time.
Yeah.
This is unfortunate.
Wait, let's go.
Come here.
Don't worry, this is gonna be it. We should actually say something with this.
Alright, just kind of go and say I don't know what. Hi guys, my name's Ian. What is that?
Oh my
Okay,
god,
let me-
dude. How?
Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed our video about density. And have a great summer.